What if I told you that while you were sleeping last night, some people made more money than you did during your entire 8-hour workday? Sounds impossible, right? Well, by the end of this video, you'll discover 7 proven passive income strategies that could have money flowing into your bank account 24/7, even when you're binge watching Netflix or taking that vacation you've been dreaming about. Now, before we dive into these game-changing income streams, let me be completely honest with you. When most people hear passive income, they immediately think it means no work whatsoever. That's the biggest myth in the online space right now. True passive income requires upfront effort and smart systems, but once you build them correctly, they can generate revenue with minimal ongoing maintenance. The first strategy that's absolutely crushing it right now is creating digital courses. Think about this for a moment. You have knowledge about something, whether it's cooking, photography, productivity tips, or even how to train your dog. There are millions of people desperately searching for solutions to problems you've already solved. The beauty of digital courses is that you create the content once, but you can sell it thousands of times without any additional work. Here's what makes this so powerful. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare handle all the technical heavy lifting for you. You don't need to worry about payment processing, hosting, or customer service nightmares. Last month alone, ordinary people without massive followings earned anywhere from $500 to $15,000 just from their first course launch. But here's the secret sauce that most people miss completely. Instead of trying to teach everything you know, focus on solving one specific problem really well. The narrower your focus, the more valuable your course becomes to your target audience. Moving to our second strategy, affiliate marketing remains one of the most underutilized goldmines available today. This isn't about spamming your friends on social media with random product links. Strategic affiliate marketing involves becoming a trusted source of recommendations in a specific niche you're passionate about. The key here is authenticity and value-first approach. Start by creating content around products or services you genuinely use and believe in. Whether through blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media content, you're providing valuable insights while earning commissions on sales you generate. Some affiliate marketers earn six-figure incomes by focusing on just 3 to 5 high-quality products, rather than promoting everything under the sun. Amazon's affiliate program alone has created thousands of millionaires, but don't limit yourself to just one platform. Companies in every industry offer affiliate opportunities, often with commission rates significantly higher than Amazon's typical 2 to 4%. Our third strategy might surprise you because it's hiding in plain sight. Stock photography and video licensing can generate substantial passive income if you understand what businesses actually need. Every company requires visual content for their websites, marketing materials, and social media presence. You don't need professional equipment to get started. Modern smartphones capture incredibly high-quality images that meet industry standards. The trick is understanding market demand. Instead of shooting random, pretty pictures, research trending topics, seasonal needs, and business concepts that get downloaded frequently. Platforms like Shutterstock, Getty Images, and Adobe Stock provide global distribution for your content. Once uploaded and approved, your images or videos can earn royalties for years without any additional effort from you. Some photographers earn over $10,000 monthly just from licensing their existing photo libraries. Strategy number 4 involves creating something called information products beyond traditional courses. This includes templates, checklists, planning guides, and digital tools that solve specific problems. The profit margins on these products are incredible because your main costs are time and creativity during the initial creation phase. Consider this example. A simple budget tracking spreadsheet that took 2 hours to create has generated over $30,000 in sales for one entrepreneur. People pay for convenience and professional presentation, even if they could technically create these tools themselves. The subscription model works particularly well for information products. Instead of one-time purchases, you can offer monthly or yearly access to updated templates, exclusive content, or member-only resources. This creates predictable recurring revenue that compounds over time. Now here's where things get really interesting. Strategy 5 focuses on building automated sales funnels around physical products through print-on-demand services. This eliminates inventory management, shipping headaches, and upfront investment in products you're not sure will sell. Platforms like Printful, Teespring, and Society6 handle manufacturing, fulfillment, and customer service while you focus on design and marketing. The profit potential here extends far beyond t-shirts. Everything from phone cases to home decor items to custom notebooks can be created and sold without touching a single physical product. The secret to success in print on demand lies in understanding trending topics, creating designs that resonate emotionally with specific audiences, and optimizing your product listings for search visibility. Some designers earn substantial monthly incomes from just 50 to 100 well-designed products. Strategy number 6 involves creating automated income through rental properties, but not in the traditional sense most people imagine. Short-term rental arbitrage allows you to lease properties and sublease them on platforms like Airbnb without actually owning real estate. This strategy requires careful market research and strong operational systems, but the income potential is substantial. By finding undervalued rental properties in high-demand tourist or business areas, you can potentially earn 2 to 5 times the monthly rent through strategic short-term bookings. The key is treating this like a proper business with automated booking systems, professional cleaning services, and streamlined guest communication. Many people operating just 3 to 5 rental arbitrage properties generate enough passive income to replace their full-time salaries. Our final strategy leverages the explosive growth in online content consumption. Creating a content library through blogging, podcasting, or YouTube allows you to monetize through multiple revenue streams simultaneously. This includes advertising revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and direct product sales. The compound effect of content creation is absolutely incredible. Each piece of content you create continues working for you indefinitely, attracting new audiences and generating revenue long after publication. Some content creators earn substantial monthly income from videos or blog posts they created years ago. The trick is consistency and understanding your audience deeply. Rather than creating random content, focus on serving a specific audience with valuable, actionable information they can't easily find elsewhere. Here's what separates successful passive income builders from everyone else. They understand that passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building systems that work continuously to generate revenue. This requires patience, persistence, and strategic thinking about long-term value creation. Start with one strategy that aligns with your current skills and interests. Master it completely before moving to additional income streams. The biggest mistake people make is trying to pursue every opportunity simultaneously, which leads to mediocre results across all areas instead of substantial success in one. Most importantly, track your progress carefully and reinvest profits into scaling your successful systems. Passive income has incredible compound potential when you allow successful strategies to grow rather than immediately spending everything you earn. The 7 strategies we've covered today have created financial freedom for countless individuals who started with nothing more than determination and willingness to learn. Your financial future doesn't depend on your current situation, but on the actions you take starting today. Which of these strategies resonates most with your current situation? Share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more proven strategies that can transform your financial reality. Your future self will thank you for taking action today, rather than waiting for the perfect moment that never comes.